Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. So let's grab a pillow and we're gonna do child pose balasana. Knee open about hip, about mat distance, toes kissing, and inhale, exhale, lay down, and hug pillow. Make yourself comfortable as if you are hugging yourself. And dropping down, sinking down to the ground. Inhale, each exhale, you are becoming heavier and heavier to the ground. The heavier, the better. Surrender yourself. Maximum comfort, no ambition. Soften your gaze or even close your eyes. Just you, pillow, and breathing. Melting down to the ground. Melting down to the earth. Surrender yourself. Your body heavier and closer to the earth. And you feel comfortable, comfy. Slowly roll up and put the pillow aside. Lay down on your back. Okay, still, let's use the pillow to support your head. Maximum comfort, right? No effort. And now we're gonna do the reclining band angle. The sole of your feet touching. Okay, drop your knee to the side. And let's put right hand gently on top of your heart. Okay. Left hand on top of your heart. Right hand onto your belly. Deep inhale, exhale. Just be there, be yourself. The laundry can wait. It is a moment taking care of yourself. Melting down, each breath heavier and heavier. Same time, lighter and lighter in your mind. Let it go and surrender yourself. Inhale, filling up air into your lung. Exhale, spread it out, whole body. Inhale, widen your back, filling up air to the back and lower back. Exhale to surrender and let it go. Take care of yourself. No effort, no ambition, just maximum comfort. Your body, remember, melting down to the earth. Now, knees touching and hug your knees as if you're hugging yourself. Okay? And here, you can stay here, or if you like, you can gently rock your knee to the side to give yourself nice massage. As if you were in laundry in low cycle. Let it go, surrender yourself. Very comfy. Side to side. Or if you prefer, you can circle your knees. Also, if you're circling, make sure to do the reverse circle. Now, drop your knee to the side. And open up your arm. And turn your face to the arm. It is okay. You don't have to iron things out at one time. A little bit wrinkle on your shirts. It is okay. You don't have to have answer right away. Take one step at one time. Inhale back to center. Exhale, roll your knee to opposite side and your face turn to the opposite side. Inhale, lift up your chest. Exhale, let it go. Drop your shoulders. Your body melting down to the earth. Take care of yourself. Be gentle, nice, kind to yourself. Feels nice and easy stretch. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your knee back to center. So now let's take happy baby. Bend your knee to the side and grab your feet with your hands. And you can stay here or gently and nicely rock to the side. Playfully, comfortably, nice and easy. No effort, no ambition. Just here and now, be yourself. You don't have to do all the things at one time. Forget about your to-do list right now. Just observe your breath. Massage yourself. Inhale, exhale. Make sure to keep your knee close to your own body. Inhale. Exhale, slowly bring your legs down to the ground, arms down to the ground. And here, option, you can bring your right hands on top of your belly, left hand on your heart. Big inhale. And exhale. Surrender yourself. Remember, you have done enough. You are enough. And you are complete. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!